I was given a choice to resign or be terminated, and I chose to be terminated because I've not done anything wrong except inform our physicians of where the guidelines were around vaccinating minors. It's pretty mind-boggling. I wrote the memo to COVID-19 vaccine providers in the state of Tennessee after I received several questions about what people should do if minors showed up to request a COVID-19 vaccine. The mature minor doctrine that has been Tennessee Supreme Court state case law since 1987, as you mentioned, to be able to allow minors ages 14 and older to consent for their own medical care if their provider feels that it's appropriate to do so. Some of our legislators felt that the memo was meant to undermine parental authority rather than providing factual information to vaccine providers in the state on how to care for minors. It's pretty clear who they're listening to, and it's not the scientists. They have Vanderbilt University, a preeminent research institution in their backyard where they could talk to any vaccine researcher and expert that they would like to. And yet they seem to choose to listen to the Facebook memes and the disinformation that these anti-vaccine groups are sowing. Public health is nonpartisan. These viruses and bacteria that can wreak havoc with these diseases are nonpartisan. They don't care who you are or who you voted for. And the way to prevent disease is with immunization. And it is, it is what pediatricians like myself do every day. It's what public health does every day. And to have partisan politics getting in the way of doing that work is a disservice largely to people who have decreased access to vaccines, people who visit departments of health and who rely on vaccination services coming to schools to vaccinate their children. These are the people who are hurt by this. And it's unforgivable that people will put their own political aspirations ahead of the good of public health.